to my YouTube channel. Okay, so one of the first videos I want to make for you guys is going through one of the first steps in my wash day routine. So as you can see, my hair is dirty and in desperate need of a wash, and it's feeling quite, my scalp is feeling a little bit itchy. So one of the first steps that we do is a pre-poo. Usually I pre-poo with coconut oil, amla oil, and the tropical black Jamaican castor oil with rosemary essential oil in there, and that has been my favorite pre-poo recipe thus far, but I am fresh out of coconut oil, so today I'm going to be trying a new little concoction. I'm going to use some olive oil, amla oil. I got this awesome little sample of Jamaican black castor oil when I went to the Clicks Curls event, as well as a little bit of peppermint oil. I like to have an essential oil up in that mixture because you want to massage your scalp, and peppermint oil is going to give me that nice tingly, fresh feeling because, like I mentioned, my scalp is feeling a little bit sensitive. So let's get started. So I mix my oils together in a little bottle. No science here, guys. I just make the amounts up as I go along. For my pre-pooing, I also use a spray bottle with some filtered water, and sometimes add to that a tablespoon of aloe vera juice, which I did on this particular occasion. Please check out the description box below for a full list of products featured in this video. I've made sure to include links to the websites of the stores I purchased and received each of the oils from, as well as the aloe vera juice, which I add to many of my hair recipes. So as you can see, I just section my hair off into slightly more manageable bits, and then I take my spray bottle mixture and I wet the hair a little bit, and then just really dampen the whole section by working it through with my fingers. I then go in with the oil mixture, and I try to really massage the oils into the scalp, because Jamaican black castor oil is really good for stimulating hair growth. I really also want to get my hair covered in this oil, so I work it in all the way from the roots to the ends and really make sure that the whole section is completely oiled up. And then to keep the hair nice and detangled and separated, I make a simple 2-strand twist. I'm going to be completely honest, I almost didn't post this video because of that random little piece of hair that I forgot at the nape of my neck. But anyways, as you can see, it's really simple, guys. I just keep going on like this, separating the hair off, wetting it, and then covering each section in oil. So my hair has been all oiled up, and I'm going to cover it in a plastic bag. So I'm just going to roam around the house with my plastic cap on, let the oil seep in, nourish my scalp, let my hair get in all that goodness, and then I'll do my wash and condition. And yeah, that's how I pre-poo, guys. So sitting in the sun, answering some assignment questions while I'm at it. And yeah, you just want to get
some heat so that all those oils seep in, and I'll catch up and show you guys what my hair looks like after I wash it.
So after spending a few minutes with the plastic cap on, I washed my hair with a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioned just for a few minutes before rinsing that off. And what you see here are my results. My hair does really well with a pre-poo. It always comes out soft, really moisturized, bouncy, and of course already detangled, so I can just style it. Let me know what you thought of this video by giving me a big thumbs up if you thought it was awesome and good, or if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Smooches!